Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining what you'll track and how, choose specific habits, and whether you log yes/no, counts, or minutes. Once decided, create a new Notion page and insert a table database called Habits. Add a date property for each entry, a select or multi-select for habit type, a checkbox or number for completion, and an optional notes text field. This immediate setup gets you logging on day one, so make the columns concise and consistent before adding any entries. Once the table exists, create focused views. Today to log quickly, weekly for short trends, monthly for patterns, and a streaks view filtered for consecutive dates. Make roll-up properties that sum completions and compute percentages or longest streaks. Roll-ups combine related entries efficiently. Then add a template button that pre-fills date and default habit checkboxes so you can add entries in one click. These middle steps turn raw data into insight and reduce friction, so you keep the habit long-term. Finish by scheduling short weekly reviews to inspect totals and streaks, and adjust habit difficulty or targets to stay realistic. If you find gaps, bulk edit missing date cells, or use the template to backfill entries, then rerun roll-ups to update totals. If calculations or streak formulas don't show expected results, make sure each property type matches the formula's requirements and the relation is pointing to the correct database. Correcting types usually resolves issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.